In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can watch and save replays here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that you're going to need to do is make sure that you have replay recording on. So open up Fortnite and go ahead and select your profile icon and go into your settings. From here, go ahead and go to the game tab and scroll all the way down towards the very bottom. And you're going to see a replay section in here. Turn record replays on. And honestly, if you just want to guarantee that it's going to be on for everything, just take all of these on just like so and hit apply. If you want slightly better quality footage, turn on high quality replays, which is on here. Just keep in mind that this can lower your FPS, especially on lower end PCs. Now just play a match normally. You can win, lose, leave after you're done. It doesn't really matter. As long as replay recording is enabled, Fortnite will automatically save that match. From here, back out of here and go over to the career tab just like so. And once you're in the career tab, you can find replays down towards the very bottom. Select this and you're going to see a list of all of these saved replays that you've had. Find it on here, select it, hit play, confirm, and the replay will now load. And inside the replay itself, you can fast forward, rewind, jump to specific moments, change camera angles, and watch from different player perspectives. And you can rewatch this as many times as you want. Just keep in mind, replays are saved locally, and major Fortnite updates can sometimes delete older replays, even though these ones that I have from 2024 are still pretty good almost 2 years later. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.